Konnichiwa. I'll share my secret as a professional teacher. You just need to know the right methods for your learning. Okay, how do you learn new expressions? Do you have to just memorize all? Isn't it hard? The best way is to understand the native mindset why they say like this. For example, once you know お願いします means I request, and Japanese people request welcome at self-introduction rather than nice to meet you. Then you can order ramen by saying ラーメンお願いします I request ramen. In this way, you'll understand the phrase better. As a result, you remember better. So, please make a solid foundation by understanding the cultural aspects when you learn new expressions. You learn Japanese mindset behind expressions through master speaking Japanese. You'll build a solid base and speak better. If you prefer self-study, it's perfect for you. You can make steady progress. Try free lessons on masterspeakingjapanese.com. See you there! Please click like and share if you enjoyed the video. If you want to master speaking, please subscribe and set the bell. You'll gain confidence. Thank you very much for watching my lesson. I'd love to see you on another video. Bye for now.